Maybe you have had difficulty combining text from two or more cells into one cell, and finally you retype the text in one cell. It turns out that we can do this automatically, which of course uses a formula. The formula has been provided by Excel, the formula used to combine the contents or text from several cells into one cell is concatenate. To use this formula, the method is very easy. As usual, before writing a formula in Microsoft Excel, we first type equals first, then type the formula, namely concatenate. Then type the opening parenthesis, then select the cell whose contents we will combine. After that type the closing parenthesis, then enter, and you can see the results. The disadvantage of this method is that the text or contents of the cell are not separated, or are not separated by spaces, so if you combine the text does not have a space that separates the text based on its cell. That's how to combine contents from several cells into one in Microsoft Excel. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for you. See you in the next video.